Which kind wahala be this now? Sometimes help no good at all. If you see some people wey no dey help, una no go know wetin dem don see, una no go know wetin dem don face. Which kind thing be this one? You help problem, you no help, people go still talk. Now this one, police don arrest one soldier and an accomplice wey kill businessman wey carry am on lift to Ikota for Akwa Ibom state. Na so this man kill the businessman o. And this businessman be staff for one shipping agency for Port Harcourt there. And this man, his name na Christopher Enoch, and he get 2 children. Una dey hear? Person wey dem kill get 2 good children o. Now the army man wey kill am, his name na Stephen Iwe. Yes, that one na his name. He give Stephen Iwe lift from One Junction for Port Harcourt to Ikota for Akwa Ibom state. Na there this army man kill the Christopher. He kill am, dumping corpse for that Ikota side. One bush wey dey there. He kill am, carry him corpse drop there, come run with him motor. My people, if na only kill, I go say okay. And this Stephen get mind, so they talk say the man carry am, still buy am food, say the man na nice man. Nice man do that kind thing, still you still carry the motive, the wickedness, so you carry enter the motor, still to kill the man. The reason for this killing na wetin I no know, whether na because of the motor or na envy. I don't even know where to even talk from again. How person go carry out this activity like that? And this Christopher family, then they find the man no come back, they no see him, the man just dey missing. As so say dem try to call, they no reach him out. That be the reason why dem go police, go report, say make dem try track the husband, because they never see the husband. The wife tell them so na so police use the tracker system wey dey the motor, track this motor down, then see am for one hotel. Now there then catch this Stephen Iwe. Now him be army officer. Now so then take catch am for that place, bring am down now. And that accomplice too, then detain am for Ikota Pan police station. Oh. They say them put am there to prevent congregation from gathering. My people, this one now waiting happen. See where help. See where niceness keep person pikin just like that. My people, this one pain me reach my bone marrow. Why? Because this man buy food, give am, make am feel alright. In fact, this story no dey complete. Something is missing somewhere, because why army man go just stay kill the man just like that? And I just say the man go dey feel secure, say yes, at least I dey travel with army, so nothing. Now so then just take kill am. Pure wickedness, heartlessness, because now only person wey wicked go carry out this kind of activity. How then they take sleep for night, say then keep person, you go peacefully sleep? This is barbaric, this is disastrous, this is in fact, English don't finish. If una get further English, make una put am dey see. Because I don't tire for this kind thing. Oh. This one now, they don't render children fatherless, they don't render wife widow. Just like that, man where they work for prominent place, at least him be staff for better shipping agency, una hear am. Like that, the man just go. Now because of Toyota, this man kill the man. Now wetin I no just understand. Me, if I see any further story concerning this thing, because I no believe say this army man just kill the man just like that. Like, what is the reason? Then send them, or something must dey undercover where we never find out. And so say if they interrogate this man more, Tori go come out. And if I get that Tori, I go drop and yes, they hot. Because I know say all of una too dey curious. Me self I curious die. I like to know wetin happen. I like to know how every story they end. So my people, if I get them, I go bring them come here. Make all of una know wetin dey happen for this country where we dey. Ha! So sometimes I go see all these men wey get motor, then go they drive the bone face like they don't even they care people where they road. I go they say see this one, they feel like monk, they feel like saying get motor, he get this one, he get that one. I go just they talk. I don't know say these people they try protect themselves because they don't want help. The help we go kill them. Sometimes help they kill, oh, una don't see them. Sometimes help they kill. Now people wait, you know, yes, say you give beggar money, beggar use your money, go do ritual. Now help beggar, beggar don't use and do ritual. Una don't see plenty things no pure again. Plenty things nobody, in fact, plenty people no get pure intentions again for this country where we dey. Oh, hey God, I be una they see the people. Una see as they don't arrest them because this one I don't even know. Make them just do place judgment, and I want to know wetin go happen to this one. A person where they work for government, army officer. This one no be normal citizen, no army. Ha! A shock person now, a shock die. So my people, if una get anything to talk about concerning this matter, make una put them for the comment section and we go reply una one by one. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. They don't hospitalize ex-Nigerian footballer. His name na Ibezito Obinna after rocket from Gaza hit him house for Israel. Him be Israel-based footballer and former under-23 striker. In dey in house with him family when these Hamas militants fire rockets with when this Israel-Gaza face-off they happen. These rockets come directly to him house hit. So my people, then talk say whenever this siren they blow for Israel, everybody they go stay for their shelter, get cover, because every house for Israel gets shelter where then they go stay when this siren come up. But when this siren come up, it better to feel say na just siren, na just noise, because sometimes siren they blow, nothing they happen. So now so in day the house with him family where this rocket just hit the house like that. This explosion give him injury for body, but in wife and in children then they safe from this thing. And in talk say now this kind of attack, now this kind of action with rocket, say if this kind of thing happen, it give people serious injury, but for him miraculously come out of farm. My people, now waiting happen. Now people now they see the picture on how the thing take scatter the entire house. The house self they unrecognizable. And this one now the third time where something severe they happen to this footballer. In talk say the first one he survived car crash, the second one he survived robbery incident, and now this one a rocket incident he survive. My people, now he don't go hospital, they receive treatment and then don't test them to know say everything they all right. Now the thing wey happen to Ram, my own question be say waiting in the fine reach Israel. Wahala plenty. You dey Nigeria problem. You live say okay, make I go Israel go cool off. Wahala, you cool off, rockets cool you out of your house. Una dey see wetin dey happen for this kind world where we dey live, you know. So where this guy go stay, where they beneficial, where he go stay, where go dey okay for him. Like I don't even understand wetin dey happen. My people, I be this one don't happen now. Nobody they talk anything, no. But when the Israelites, not be the ones where they Bible, now the ones where they now. When these Israelites decide to do their own back now, you know, go to hear things like Muslims are dying. If they decide to shoot back, you go to hear pray for Palestine. This one, that one. But this one now, they know they talk anything because now Israel. Una see how this life no balance at all. But my happiness be say, pikin they safe, wife they safe, and the man na just injury him get, and they already they treat and they put am back into in place. My people, this one na the thing wey happen for Israel. Make una notice say na only Nigeria get wahala. Make una notice say na only this area get wahala. Western Africa be na waiting. E dey everywhere. For this thing to reach Israel, the man leave Nigeria for now. Still, he still trace and come Israel. Israel their own na bombing, explosion, rocket, fight. Una see na Gaza versus Israel. I don't know whether you don't talk football match. Everybody fight, war everywhere. People they die. Una see wetin dey happen. This man survived this serious attack. Next time I sure say if he hear siren, he go under shelter where he suppose dey. Because how he go take ignore that kind of thing? You know, see that shelter now, they protect people for that Israel. You go the hear things they happen for that place. Bomb blast, blah blah blah. All this is where they happen. You know, no say when yes I ring, whether na false alarm, no false alarm, making go shelter. In get family to think of children. This one and you see ignore them. See, but the truth be say, in time never reach to die. God will save them first time, second time. Now the same God will still save them now. So I feel say in time never come. My people, make everybody there for Allah. If you not get people where they Israel, make una tell them, make them take all the siren serious. So as they do one. I don't know the sound because I never go Israel. So I don't know whether na one when they do. When they yara, make they enter their shelter, go cover, go collect cover because this life they too short. Everybody now they die like fish. They just they die. Just like that. Any small thing they don't. You go yes say James don't die. You go yes say David don't die. You go yes say this one. Death everywhere. So everybody take safety precaution. If your family they Israel, I should say una they hear me. If your family they Israel, make everybody eye open. Gaza, I don't know what be the problem between Gaza and Israel, but what they. So my people, everybody when he hear siren, take I be na siren. I say na siren. Wetin they do me? Make una take shelter. Now the main thing be that, and I thank God for the life of this footballer. We no die yo. Our God know they sleep, he know they slumber. Our God know they sleep. So make everybody they pray, they vigilant, they alert. Especially Israel people, if now they watch. I beg, make una dey careful out there. Anything we una get, I beg make una drop am for the comment section. If you get anything to comment concerning this issue, if you get any talk for mouth concerning this topic, I beg make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. My people, this story amazed me. Like, I just did the one that they laugh. They ask myself so many questions. See, ma tell you now. Then don't arrest one man. Why they arrest him? In go thief bunches. Not be one bunch, bunches of plantain. Say in one raise 10K, give the girlfriend, make she buy makeup. My people, now don't see love at first sight. I mean, first class love. Now they see him. Now the reason why this man go for Ajama community for Bayelsa State. Now there in go thief these bunches of plantain. When go free raise that 10K, give the girlfriend. Now this community leader don't interrogate him as they arrest him. Say why him go the thief plantain and all. He talk say the girlfriend give him deadline to bring the money for the plantain. That be why him go say out of frustration he just enter the community farm they harvest. Even get power, get straight enter farm they. Una know how plantain be. He go carry knife, carry cutlass, they cut, make the thing. He go cut bunches. I don't know how he even take export himself. Where they at least then catch him. But how? I just say, I be how many plantain are they see? They like saying 6 bunches. One man carry 6 bunches of plantain, say one go sell. Plantain we don't dey expensive for Nigeria. You know how those people they save, they wait, make at least one ripe before they will go harvest them. You go harvest them. All because of love. My people now in fact I will call this guy boyfriend of the year. Hey, this one na original boyfriend of the year. My own be say may them just release this young guy, I beg. Now plantain in thief, he no keep person. Now plantain in thief out of love. See, love they make people stupid, mad, crazy. They know the reason. People wey don't fall in love where they watch this and una know how love they be. Sometimes you go they do something on a normal day where you know say, oh, as I dey okay, I no go fit. People they do them out of love. As I say, Nigerian men don't know how to love. Una they see love. This one una see say person out of love climb plantation, go unplug plantain, they go just to say give the girlfriend 10K. Hey, me I never hear this one before. This one na the first time why they hear say boy carry out this kind of activity. My advice be say if you know say you want date person you no get money, forget about dating. Dating is not for the poor. Dating is not for the hungry. Dating is not for people that don't have money. You know, rest your case, focus for business, gather money, put yourself together before you go finally say, okay, I be chairman now, I don't get money, make girls start to the falling. Now so it's supposed to be. Don't be the one way you never even gather anything, you don't get money, you don't get they hustle. Even to chop self na wahala, you go carry girlfriend put on top. So how you go feed your girlfriend, or how you go still feed, give am small money? You know how girls be. Then they find money do hair, find money do nails, find money do makeup. They want to look good. They want to go online and una know now, good phones, good this, good that. How you go take meet up? Carry your class. You know say okay, oh, I no get. Follow girls. If you be villager, follow your fellow villager. Make you know say last villager go ask for groundnut, garri, small things so if he give. If you know say you be big man, you get iPhone 12 Pro Max, you get big house, you get this one, you go carry Pro Max girls. So now know how Pro Max girls they dey. You go carry them the ones so if you afford. If you know say oh I no reach oh, I dey for Nokia Touchlight stage, you carry Nokia Touchlight girls. Now be why flight no be everybody dey enter first class. Now based on your money. If you no get money, you no go fit dey first class. First class day, business class day, economy day. Now economy, abi we know ourselves. We dey go where we belong. Economy, where we go fit afford. You go tell me say you no go fit afford first class. You go see the force. They go first class. People wey dey first class and people wey fit afford first class. Now all this is what they talk now. My final point be say if you no fit afford that particular girl, leave am. Maybe people wey fit afford them, afford them. Last this girl now wey dey hustle this 10K give, she go do this makeup, go meet big men, collect better money. Oh, you there they put your life at risk. I just say even if she don't see your picture, she say okay, this one don't go thief by plantain because of me. Oh, this one that one, she go even deny you self. She go deny you flat because no girl want embarrassment. They never want you say because they no get them first person to go thief. No. So guys, make una open eye. Follow the kind girl where you know say they your own class. Make peace reign. Now the thing wey matter, but the thing be say this one just make me know say people they love hard. No be everybody they use people heart they play. People they love hard. But now that girl I don't know whether the girl love am or not. Because if na love keep her there, she suppose they understanding. No say okay, oh, this guy who I dey with, I love him, but he no get. You go respect that fact, say no get. If you want go follow other men to get, you follow get. No be the one way go put person picking for pressure because he need 10K to buy makeup. Who they do that kind of thing? So for me, I don't know if that girl really love him, but this particular guy, this kind of thing we in carry out, this kind of activity we in carry out. Now love. Endless love be that. But my own question be waiting microphone. The whole microphone. I don't know waiting then they use microphone they do. Person waiting plantain. He carry microphone, put for a man making the talk. Waiting go talk his microphone. The microphone waiting they record. Where they want put the they do things for this Nigeria. My people, if you not get anything to talk concerning this matter, if you not feel say this plantain is supposed to and buy the makeup, make una talk. If you not feel say this thing way do bad, make una talk. If you not feel say na true love, make am do am, make una talk. Anything we una get from mouth, make una put them for the comment section and go they reply una one by one. So my people, don't forget, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.